Okay, folks, this is attorney Nate Amendola. Today, we're going to talk about what your rights are if you get pulled over on the suspicion of OUI or impaired driving or drunk driving. Those are all the same thing. First thing I want you to know, it's always helpful, no matter what the situation, whether you think you're in the right and the police are in the wrong, to be polite and respectful to the police. Cannot tell you how far that goes. So, if you get pulled over, first thing I want you to know is that you should show the police that you're law enforcement friendly by doing the following things. First thing, when you notice the police in your rear view mirror, engage your right turn signal and pull over to the side of the road when you think it's safe to do so, and pull completely over. Second, put the car in park, take the keys out of the ignition and place them visibly on the dashboard, okay? Roll down the window halfway, place two hands on the wheel, so the police know where your hands are. Next, you can respectfully decline to answer any questions, and you can respectfully decline to submit to any field sobriety tests. Okay? You should also remember that you have the right to refuse the field sobriety tests. You don't have to take them, but you can, and the breathalyzer. Now, you must consider this. You're likely to get arrested if you refuse to take the field sobriety tests. Taking the breathalyzer happens back at the station after you've been arrested. The police will, a couple things also to remember. The police will ask you for your license and registration. You do need to provide those to the police, okay? And by all means, when you're doing this, be polite. Now, you can refuse to get out of the car, but you cannot do that if they tell you you're under arrest, all right? If you're under arrest, if the police say you're under arrest, you must get out of the car, okay? Lots of folks also wonder if you can get an OUI for driving while high, either on marijuana or other drugs. The answer is yes, you can. Let's briefly talk about cannabis. Even though recreational and medical use of cannabis is now legal under Massachusetts state law, but not federal law, driving while impaired on cannabis remains a crime. These cases tend to be difficult for the Commonwealth to prove because unlike OUI liquor cases, there's no breathalyzer yet for cannabis.